hands. Okay. Quiet hands. Okay, let's start. Let's read it. The park. The park. Yes.
Wow, I like it.
Wow, that's great. Okay, let's read the other one. I see the slide. Okay, one more. I want to hear everybody. I see the slide. Yes, okay. Very good. Next. I see the bouncer.
Hey.
Yes. Next. I see the swings.
I like it, teacher. I have
Yes.
swing, teacher.
Wow, that's great.
I wish I see the swing.
Okay, do you like swing? Okay, you like swing. That's great. Okay, next. I see the rock. Rock. Okay, one more. I want to hear everybody. I see the rock. Okay, good job. Next. I see the ball.
I like it.
Ball, yes. Do you like to play with the ball?
That's for beach.
Oh, yes, beach ball.
I have a lot of ball. I like it.
Wow.
I
Like it. Wow.
I have ball too.
Wow, that's great. I like it also. Okay, next. How about this one? Do you have art supplies? Okay, let's read it together. I see the art supplies. Supplies. Yeah. Okay, next. I see the pink.
I like it, teacher.
Okay, very good. Do you like painting?
Yes, I have painting. I have painting.
Oh,
I have.
you like painting. So do you have paint? Okay, that's great. Oh, wow, that's great. Next, I see the paint brush.
I like it, bro.
Yes, paintbrush.
I like it.
Okay, next. I see the pencil. Can I see your pencil? I see the pencil. Oh, teacher can see your pencil. That's great. Yes. Next. I see the crayons. Crayons. Oh, you have crayons. Oh, Tobias showing me his crayons. How about Chloe? Oh, I see brown crayon.
Yep, I like the crayon.
Wow. Do you like to color?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's great. Oh, wow. You have a lot of crayons, Ian. That's great. Okay, next. Let's read it together. I see the scissors.
Mommy, I have
Source.
that. I'm scared.
Yes, I have a pink.
I have
pink.
red.
Yes, pink scissors.
I have a lot.
With Disney characters.
Purple.
Oh, it's pink.
Purple. Huh?
Yes, like a purple, but it's pink. Okay, next.
I have that.
Oh, you will have fun to the next one. Candy, the candy store. Let's read it. The candy store. Okay.
That's cotton
Yes.
candy?
Yes, cotton candy. Okay, let's read it. I like the cotton candy.
I like it, teacher.
Yes. How about the others? Do you like cotton candy?
Yes.
Oh, Tobias don't like it. Oh, you don't like sweet. Next, let's read it together. I like the lollipop. Yes, lollipop. Do you like lollipop?
Yeah. I like it.
Tobias don't like it.
I like it. I like it too. I brush my teeth.
You need to brush your teeth. That's right. You need to brush your teeth. Okay. Oh, yes, that's right, Chloe. Next, let's read it together, everybody. I like the jelly beans.
Jelly beans. I like it. I like it. I don't like. I miss it. I miss it to eat.
Yes. Okay. Next.
I like
the candy cane.
I like it, teacher. I like it, but I miss eating again.
Oh, yes. Maybe later you can sell it to your mother. Yes, for Christmas. Candy cane. Okay, very good.
I don't think I need that.
Oh. Are you done? So very good, everybody. So now, let's drink water.
Water break.
Yes, water break. Let's drink water. Oh, very good. Everybody's drinking. Let's drink water. Okay, good.
Mommy, what happened to your water bottle? I'm not drinking any water. What? Finish drinking water.
Okay, Chloe, that's great. How about the others? Are you done drinking?
I'm done.
Oh, you're done. That's great. How about the others? Are you done?
Finish.
Oh. Okay, let's wait one last. Rafa, let's wait, Rafa.
Done.
Yes. Oh, Rafa's there. Okay, now we will do math. So are you ready for math? Okay. So bring out your 10 things and paper and pencil. Yes, it's math time. Bring out 10 things and also paper and pencil. Yes. Yes po.
What?
10 things. And paper and pencil, do you have? Get it.
5, 6, 7, 8, baliktad. 10.
10. Do you have 10? Count it together. Let's count it. Okay, let's wait for others to get their things. Paper and pencil and 10 things.
Bring out your paper and pencil. Here, later naman.
What?
Okay, do you have it now? Are you done? Do you have it? Let us write, everybody, okay? I want to see everybody write it down. Or do you have crayons? If you have crayons, it's okay also. Okay? Yes. Let us start. So now, let us draw. Let us write 0. I want to see everybody. 0. Yes. Yes, 0. So, round and round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0.
0.
Yes.
We're gonna do it.
Yes.
So we have a 0.
Yes, round and round.
It's like a circle.
Yes. Can I see everybody? So round and round we go. When we get home, we have a 0. Can I see? Okay. Did you write it down? So 0. Is 0 odd or even? Odd or even? Yes, even. 0 is even. Okay. Next, let's throw this one. Number 1 is like a stick. A straight line that is very quick. Okay, let's draw. Yes. Can you write it down? Can I see? Did you got it?
Color it red.
Oh, wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Yes. 1, very good. Okay, number 1. What is number 1? Odd or even? Can you pair it? Yes. Number 1 is odd. Why is odd? Because you cannot pair it. There's no pair, okay? Next. How about 2? Let's write 2, everybody. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Let's write 2.
Choo choo. Coming choo choo.
Yes.
Coming to train.
Let's write 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2, 2.
Here's the train.
Yes. Did you write it down? 2? How about the others? Do you have 2? Okay.
This is working.
Okay. How about are you done writing 2? Thumbs up if you're done. Okay. Get 2 things. This is 2. How about you? Can you get 2 things? Okay, count it. 1, 2. Yes. Is this odd or even? Even. 2 is even because you can pair it. There is a pair. Group into 2. Okay. Next. Let's write 3. Okay. Everybody, let's write 3. Around a tree. Around a tree. That's the way to make a tree. Around a tree. Around a tree.
Looks like that's a cloud drawing, right?
Yes. That's the way to make a tree. Okay, do you have it now? Okay, good job. Now get 3 things. Can I see everybody getting 3 things? Count it together. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, group it into 2. Can you group it into 2? There is 1 left. You cannot. So, is it odd or even? Odd. Yes, this is odd because you cannot pair it into 2.
Okay. It's even.
Yes, that's right. Very good. Okay, now next. Number 4. Let's write number 4. Down and over. Down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Yes. Let's write 4. Okay, very good. Okay, now get 4 things. 4 things. 4 things. Do you have 4? Let's count it. 1, 2, 4. Okay, do you have 4? Okay, 4 things. Okay, now let's group it together. Can you group it?
Of course.
Of course. Yes, you can group it together. So is it odd or even? Even. Correct. Because you can pair it into 2. Correct. Next.
Later side.
That's right. Okay, number 5. Let's draw number 5. Straight line down, then around. Hat on top, and 5's a clown. Yes. 5. Are you done writing 5? Okay, now get 5 things.
Now.
5 things. Do you have 5 things?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Can you group it into 2?
No. There's last one. No.
You cannot, right? You cannot group it into 2. There is a remaining 1.
Can I put?
Okay.
6.
Okay. 5 is odd or even? Odd. Yeah. 5 is odd. Okay, next. 6. Make a curve, then make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6.
Done.
Yes, very good. Make a curve. Yes, make a round and make a loop. There are no tricks to make a 6. Okay, now get 6 things. 6 things. Do you have 6? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, can you pair it? Group it into 2. Can you group it into 2? Let's group it into 2. Can you group it into 2?
Yes.
Yes, you can group it into 2. So is it odd or even? Odd or even?
Even.
Yes, it is even because you can group it into 2. Okay, next. Let's draw 7.
Your pencil.
7 angel.
Yes. Across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Yes, across the sky and down from heaven, that's the way to make a 7. Let's write 7. Yes. Are you done writing? Are you done?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Now get 7 things. Let's count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7. Can you group it into 2?
4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes.
Not.
Yes, you cannot group it. So, is it odd or even?
Odd.
Correct. Okay, next. Let's try 8.
Acres.
Yes, make an S. And do not wait. Go back up. And that's an 8.
Looks like a race.
Yes. So make an S.
That's a race.
Can you make an S? And then do not wait. Go up.
Done.
Okay, are you done?
8.
Okay, now get 8 things. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 things. How about others? Do you have 8 things?
Yes. 8.
Okay, now let's try pairing it. Can you group it together?
Yes, group it to 2.
Okay, let's group it into 2. Okay, you can group it into 2. What's the answer? Odd or even?
Odd. Even. Even.
Yes, it's even because you can pair it. Pair it into 2. Okay, next. Let's write 9. A loop.
Rainbows.
Yes. A loop and a line. That makes a line. Yes.
Rainbows. Rainbows.
A loop.
9 rainbows.
A loop and a line. That make a 9?
Now make a line. Wow.
9. Okay. Are you done? Yes. A loop. Make a loop. And a line. That makes a 9. Okay, good job, Sian. How about the others?
There's only last one.
Yes. Okay, now get 9 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9.
Good teacher.
Okay, you have 9. Okay, now let's group it into 2. Yes. Can you group it into 2? Did you group it into 2? Everything? Oh, yes. No, there is a remaining 1. So is it odd or even?
Odd.
Odd. Very good. It's odd. Okay. One last. Let's draw number 10. Straight line down, then around with a green. That's the way to make a 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, do you have 10? Are you done drawing 10? Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, now get 10 things.
Teacher.
Oh,
Why there's heart in the test?
there is 10 hearts. Let's count the hearts together. Do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 hearts. There are 10 things. Yes. Yes po. Okay. Can you get 10 things? And pair it together. Let's pair it. Can you pair it po? Yes. So when you can pair it? Can you pair it?
Yes.
Okay. Is it odd or even?
Even.
Yes, it is even because you can pair it all together. Very good, everybody. Good job. Can I see your drawings, everybody? Can you show me? Can I see it together? Okay. Can I see it? Can you show it to the screen? Can I see everybody doing it? How about Tetsuya? Let's wait Tetsuya. Tetsuya.
This is 0.
Yes. Okay. Can you show me, everybody? Let's call Tobias for a while. Tobias. Can you show us your paper, Tobias? Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, good job, everybody. We're done. We're done with math time. So, it's time for...
Goodbye song.
Yes, goodbye song, everybody. Hands up, everybody. Shake, 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 shake.
Teacher.
Okay, yes po.
Snack time. I'm hungry.
Okay, later you will eat after our class. Okay, see ya. Okay, bye-bye. Shake, 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 shake. Pam, pa, pam, pa, pam. We are going. We are going. Now goodbye. Now goodbye. See you all on Tuesday. See you all on Tuesday. Now goodbye. Now goodbye.
Bye, teacher. Bye, bye.
Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, Rafa. Goodbye, Haley. Goodbye, Riley. Goodbye, Sian. Goodbye, Carlene. Goodbye, Chloe. Goodbye, Tatsuya. Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.